Hi everyone, thank you for watching. Today for you I have a video which is inspired by these awesome items that I got from rosegal.com, and I love these phone cases that I got. They're marble inspired, so I decided to create many awesome marble variations. So you can go from simple marble mani to some spiced up look, and I included most of them in this video. So if you're interested, keep on watching, and I will have all the items that I got from RoseGal listed in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. And let's begin. So the first one is simple marble nail, and this is pretty much self-explanatory. You just gonna use a little brush, then you're gonna dip it in some acetone, and you want to remove the black marks that we just made, and you want to remove it like I'm showing you in the video. This doesn't have to be perfect, because no matter what you do, you cannot mess up marble design. So that's the best part, and that's why I love doing marble nails. So here is the simple one, the classic one. So here we go. Ta-da! Is the number one. So let's go to the next one. Next one is easy as well. Make sure that your base is fully dry. Then you're gonna take this little stripy tape. I'm going to use this holographic nail polish from BeautyBigBang, and I'm gonna have everything linked in the description box below, so you always guys can check it out, and you know that I always write everything that I use. So I'm going to apply like so. And then we're gonna remove the striping tape right away. We don't want to let this dry, we just want to remove it as soon as possible so that we get that sharp line. And here it is. I love this one, so subtle. Now on to the next one. I'm using these kind of stencils that I got from WhatsApp Nails, I believe, and you can get them pretty much anywhere, or you can cut them yourself, it doesn't really matter. But I'm going to use also this powder, and I'm just gently applying this, and then I'm going to use this awesome little brush that it's for like dusting. Like I feel so fancy, like I'm actually a nail artist. I got it from BeautyBigBang as well. And then I'm gonna top it up with some water-based top coat, and you're all done. On to the next one we go, and this one is the simplest as well. Just want to do the classic marble nail. Then you're gonna top it off with some top coat, and you're gonna add a crystal. I love this crystal, it's so cute, but you can add any crystal you like. And look at that, bang, so pretty. Okay, this is the last one, and I can do so many variations. I'm taking it from the classic marble nail. I'm gonna top it off with some matte top coat, and then add a little striping tape as some little like decoration, and that's it. You're all set. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think in comments. Please give it a thumbs up, and I will talk with you guys in my next one. Until then, watch some of my other videos, because I have lots of them on my channel. Bye.